What attracts me most about China's 5-year plan is the tremendous commitment to a low-carbon economy and ultimately to a sustainable energy economy. In the 5-year plan, China is committed to reach peak carbon emissions sooner than 2030 and to have a sustainable energy economy by 2060. These are very aggressive goals, and I think they're great goals, I wish more countries actually had these goals. I'm very confident about Tesla's future in China. The Chinese economy, I think, is going to do extremely well over the next decade and will become the biggest economy in the world. And it's also committed to a sustainable energy future, and Tesla is doing both of those things. So we're building cars. We have China, I think long-term will be our biggest market, both where we make the most number of vehicles and where we have the most number of customers. I would like to strike an optimistic note and say that I'm very confident that the future in China is going to be great, and that China is headed towards being the biggest economy in the world and a lot of prosperity in the future. And this 5-year plan is going to be a part of making that prosperity happen.
Welcome back, friends, for one more update from the world of high-growth EV stocks. In case you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing. And in case you live in the United States, we would like to take this opportunity to mention that we have now partnered with Webull, and they are giving away 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850 in total when you make an initial deposit over $100. That's just a lot of free money, and we think you should definitely consider signing up for them. All you have to do to claim this free money is use the sign up link from the description of this video. Now let us get right into it. As you just heard, Elon Musk sees China as the place to be for all major EV-related revolution for the next decade. Musk expects that Tesla will not only produce their maximum number of vehicles in Chinese factories, but also their sales will come more from China than in any other country. Needless to say, this is great news for other major Chinese manufacturers such as NIO as well. If Tesla grows multifold over the coming years in China, it won't be just for Tesla, but because of the overall trend of EV playing out in China. They already have the widest infrastructure for electric vehicles over there, and things are moving rapidly for all the major EV companies in China. This just underlines one more point we've been mentioning in this channel about NIO. Global expansion to Europe and USA is great news, but just given the mammoth scope and opportunity of the domestic Chinese market itself, we see NIO as a major winner in the years ahead. Currently NIO is extremely undervalued, trading at a valuation of just around $50 billion, whereas Tesla still trades at a valuation above $600 billion. NIO clocked a revenue of above $1 billion in the last quarter, and is expected to only grow in the current and upcoming quarters of 2021. All things taken into account, we do not see the current low valuations in NIO lasting too long, and it's only a matter of time before NIO moves back up to a much higher valuation. As always, thanks for tuning into this update. And if you haven't yet watched our beautiful compilation video on the NIO CEO Li Bin explaining the big future visions of NIO to the Western media, please do check out the video from the link on your screen now.